Hello, welcome to our tutorial on Search Widget in Swipecart. Are your customers struggling with locating products or collections within your mobile app? Having a search bar is a wonderful way to guide customers who feel lost or are unable to locate a product within your mobile store. With Swipecart, you can add a search bar without any coding and increase your sales. How? On your Swipecart dashboard, click App Design. Select the edit icon on your current design. In the widget panel, select Search from the drop-down. Drag and drop a suitable UI variant to the design section. Please note that you can add only one search widget on a page. To edit the layout of the widget, select Edit Style. As you make changes here, you can see a preview of it on the right side mobile screen. Here, you can alter the radius where you can round off all four edges of your widget. Using padding, you can adjust the widget's padding from all sides. Under the Customize Search Bar section, you can change the text to be displayed in the search bar. Further, you can change the border color and its thickness in the stroke field. If you want to display the search icon in the search widget, keep the search icon toggle enabled. The background section lets you add custom colors or images to the search bar. On selecting color, you can add color to your widget. Click Image to upload an image for your search bar. There are no limitations on the image size. You can upload any image and it will auto-adjust with the widget. Click None to not have any image or color. Save the changes. Do you want to change the style variant of your search widget? Select Edit View by hovering over the added search widget. Here, you can change the view. You can also remove this block. Hover over the search widget and click Remove Block. It is removed from the design section. Save the changes. If you wish to be the first to view it, select Preview to see the search bar on a mobile device. You also have the option to view it on your Swipecart mobile app. Simply, click Try it on your device to scan the QR code and view the search bar on your mobile store. If you have any issues or queries, contact our implementation specialist or contact our support team. Thank you for watching.